What is Tennessee and Mississippi stand on tracking devices placed in children's belongings while you're sharing custody of the children? Generally, there is no stand on it. There's no rule or no hard line procedure about tracking devices placed on children's belongings. So it's really what you're comfortable with or what you and the other parent have agreed on. Like, for example, maybe you have a tracking device on a backpack or a laptop or something simply because if it gets lost, you need to know where it is. But there's also other tracking devices. And of course, there are some people who think, like, I'm going to put a tracking device on him so I can know where the other parent is, or so I can know where he is all the time while he's with the other parent. That's not anything that you have to do. Of course, it's your business where your child is, wherever they are. But also, if they're with their other parent, the other parent can monitor and make decisions about where the child is. So if I have a client, oh, like for example, I had a client who his mom put Life 360 on the phone. Then she comes to court and she's like, he's got Life 360 on his phone and he was with his dad and his dad was driving 80 miles an hour in a 70 mile an hour zone, so the dad is a danger to the child. And so you know what I told him? When your son comes back, turn off those tracking devices. Obviously, she's not using them for a purpose that is for the benefit of the child. It's for a purpose that is for her benefit. So she doesn't need to have the privilege of knowing what your child is doing or where you're going or anything else while the child is with you, unless you have to tell her. So the general stand is there's not one. You can make the best decision about what you do with tracking devices on your children's belongings while the child is with you. If you want to turn them off, turn them off. If you want to keep them on, keep them on.